Happy Sunday. Share this video, guys. We now play music. Now this one you're playing. When I share the video, get what? Awesome. We are go to the topic. We are the. And yesterday they do me another interview yesterday. I go play the interview I do yesterday. All the lights with this side. I'll cut the vocal. And then I'll go to the mama and the pastor. Now my mother and part of this one, but their story. Now another heavy one. You understand? So this saga go too sweet. In children, oh, I never want to drag those one first. I first deal with the two useless women first. In Loveth region, and Polian region, you don't get by. But that's not. Now, what more see your dog? Elephantiasis. Mindo. Now bad life you they live. You are living a bad life. Bad life you they live. Yes, guys, let's go.
Tassi convenienti e traccio I pagamenti dall'app. Inoltre,
we all go straight to the reason why we are here today. As they hot, we have shared the video. Let's just scroll down to the reason why we are here today without wasting time. If I put this call first. Hello? What's up, babe? Nimo speaker. Hello, you on time? How are you? Or speaker? Yeah.
If you today the matter no to now, o ma deserve no gwan yo. When it's an idea, o ma deserve because all what was say. If you who go ya we pie na we ya we okay. If you we are wa e ya o na bu e sleeping gun. If you matter na ma deserve because all what was say. If you about that way, Frankie, about this person, again, Moment Love TV. Now, informational picture, you can be perfect. The Suzuki, Ugula. If you both one of the camera, Moment Love TV, Ugama. Yeah, if I never now, if I know my woman, the woman has the picture information you have from the Suzuki. I go now say the Suzuki ga via la tell if okay the woman have na tell e the one here if you want na tell to na take it away the match on na the woman na die both woman na tell if you open a power can avoid the woman now, just speak to rain. And now you do the power will be more so. Okay, if I know when I everyone is good wow. And so now when you have to want to see for peace to reign. If I know now avoid the woman, I'm a good woman. If you what I say, okay, a woman not a woman not the way saga. If I know or my brother Matani, leave me that very problem with the teacher, who has been the standing woman now, who has said two. If they meet on the teacher, who has been the shouting woman, not the teacher that said two. For this woman. A book of the problem I can't avoid the woman now. Okay, if you does not to be. Go on, this is why you are settled. Wow, because people are just saying you know you are settled, you are in here. Yeah, the woman that are drinking or tonight, what are they? What are they? What are they? A woman that you know, I am you have when I remember the woman in my pressure. What are the information you can get? This is to see, near my woman, I do the woman, and Nana. Okay, and I remember don't teach you for me there. And for me, they don't go where a people must supposed not show it. Okay, who are you? One is not career teach for me there. This is my mama teach for me there. And woman, I teach for me there. And I'm for anything here. Okay, for this, you really can make one if you have one. On a year, the person of water, the people know around the motor. On a way, I don't know where to see. Hey, God, who are. I was a woman. Okay, a woman is to me, Saka. And my memory, I don't have woman, the teacher, maybe for me, the teacher, but I don't have this and the teacher. On I say, oh, if you want to let go, one door. Umama za kutoa a woman na nana no whatever information you get he heavy he gets to see he go woman na go ajebo we ko ni if you mama za ko yo go no ga wo na we kia no ya we una we kia wo go da so we pi no ya we kia go ge na za we gwa ko ma ko ai se no wa ya hu no ge mu da ja be de lo ni de pa o me wa hu no stress man.
Thank you.
Don't
Share this video. Share the video. Share the video. Share this video. Good morning, everybody out there watching me live and direct. Please share this video. It is happy story to you guys. All right. Thank you very much. Where's the man? Thank you, man. Thank God. Thank God. Water and water off with me. Thank you very much. Yeah, I appreciate that. What pending when over? What I'm saying? Well, I get video. I can't kai as in the hot. You understand? What does the name of la? Woman who sagi agmo or last go. You don't feel me? Now how go? Now go and get video. Not see Loveth today. Loveth today. We are here. Elephantiasis. Why are here? Go and you the one of Papillona, the elephant one of Papillona. Okay. First of all, you got home where if I don't know, no good calling on any where a picture let's not feel me hakwa. Iwe bo mi viamo, yeah, bo mi viamo, bo mi viamo, of your nada for bo mi viamo, Akmika mi viamo, yeah. Akmika mi viamo. Obigbo life yo, unless you wire. Obigbo life yo, yeah. Obigbo life yo, unless you wire. Obigbo life yo, yeah. Even no give yo, even if you give yo. Obigbo life yo, yeah. Mami obigbo life yo, yeah. Mami obigbo life yo, yeah. Yes, so my people, I greet you all with better stars. You all know this is from Victory O2 to double no why. They are in you what they are busy. Wonder, and how you not sick of busy Europe, but more Baba where they smile. Are you Baba where they color? Color is like no. Oh, what am I wearing? Hey, Panagawa. Oh, my boy, Yahiva. Oh, God, Lare yo degbe. You've said a lot of things, a lot of lies, a lot of lies, a lot of lies, a lot of lies. As you all know the logo of this my platform, you can only control truth forever. You can never control lies forever. In every nonsense, there is always a sense. You pick the sense inside my nonsense and throw away the nonsense. You know so? Now let's go there. I want to play your video. You did. Do you even need? Is there need? No, you make video with my sister. Because if you don't have a short video, what if I do? You make video where? But can pinch enogine. We shift closer. People that have sense, people that can read body language. I saw a lot of disappointments. A lot of disappointments. A lot of disappointments. When this woman was with you on live video yesterday, lady party nigga, the woman had a full leg bay. Uri woman at ye to tie live video where. Una yet to go ya me. Una ye did not beg Una want to tie live video where. Una kelk your tona nota. When we know how to go you way last one way. At your 7 way. I never get things with nota. Una ya back here. Guy, kudos to you, bro. You know what? No, I'm giving you the kudos. And guy, you need to cash out for this live video. Don't go play. I like your style. As they call you carry on, they call your platform, make sit down, make the fool himself. Because then the fool go loud. I'm so happy. Then if you finish, but with this man, I'll come lining and finish. You don't like. You like a saga now. Because why? I'm not going to saga now. No, you know, I'm going to saga. My brother was going to Zolota. Now, here, Lavian. Then, we are going to share the way we share the whole one. Ije wa le way, ma sama. O ije way. Ya be yo ye Lavian. So that we the year, we don't see Lavian, we don't know, we don't vibe, why gay. Oh, sama. Ele na ya kwa disgrace. Okbe no disgrace be my brother. Ewi, kudos to you, nice one. Okbe no na disgrace be. So it is our turn to drag ground, follow ground. We go below and follow ground. We use our pot on this media. If we are dragging, we don't mean are dragging with you. Hello? We are running now. Go clear. Nobody should insult and no give say no give. Why you go to interview this woman? No insult and no give. This is a very nice one, our nice work, and no give do so clear. Because the woman are muku, so we go use your head. It's saying guesses. If I put the way. Alex zigi we bele papilona with Victoria the scare gasque what ye ave pastor neni ave dom ekia dowe don zigi ave zigi kworo ali pe we bele you don't know say ya do ya I'm coming. Today we are going to be reading biology. Yes, according to you, mommy, let's take your lead. Where the me friend of you where the mommy where is the go there. The first interview you did, waiting where is going there? Me must say, how you ma going there? The second interview you did yesterday, you also came up and said, "Ma who ga go? Ina he vessel where? Una me phone no where to me. Like seriously, nice one." So first interview was, I have never spoken to your daughter. What? You said I have never spoken to your daughter. Now, and you also said. Now the picture where Gume, the men celebrated the graduation. And I believe I have fans that are watching me today. Also, never worry, Baba with the smile. I first make it now home. You can flash it in your back. If there is a video, then you congratulate whoever with graduation. Bring it out. Oh, where the only way me have a picture where it is when I congratulate your daughter. That's what you said. So my sister, since I've been on this media, in a congratulator, people will know. They will watch, they will share, they will like. They will still write congratulations, my sister or my brother. So, my beautiful sister. Do you mean I get a congratulator of you where? My sister, my video ladia. My video ladia. Okay. First of all, you have a picture where? I don't have a picture. You categorically forward the two daughters you have. The picture to me. Going to go up university. Then why university no revenue at about the house. Don't want need to work continue has school in a me. Only me. Imagine school 24 those school no elephantiasis no gele. The better school elephantiasis children. E mo better ni what ne mo no deck you over one. Ni do has school yan la bo lawe go gbo. No to bu lawe gbe. Uye gbe umaya mu iwe Jimmy ni uma mu diet ni we uye wa ni wa your characters ya money ya do hage mo e mo ye gbe o gbe we na kara ye virgin ya ke ma no gbe kan yan uhe ya gwe uhe mu gwa we ni je 3 years ma we kia we do 50 say 3 years ma make wo na gbe bo de gbo e le yo me ngana wo yo bonu e ni yo bo me sire hin na gbe wa gbo. They get them another way your bonnet. 3 good years, whom I work here, whom I read. Who asked what you got here, baby? When I have you, whom I better on my son down. When you came, my young one, those 7 years, whom I squatting one day. That was what you said. That was what you said. You said you have never squat. But you come, but you have never squat since you don't start to do bola. You never squat one day. We are here, this my small cassava, this my pickup. It can't tune in. On I think Buevabi. I'm now Bekwa. I'm now Bekwa to a bed nothing. Rabogala will be after me a bed. And Louis Vuitton. Look by me, you look by here. You not by here, and Louis Vuitton. Are you Louis Vuitton talk Buevabu? Who went 100 euro at Louis Vuitton? With best friend, pillowcase, don't say, if Louis Vuitton, no, ya sick when you 100 euro for me. Or you not running the streets. You not running the streets. A fucking man. First of all, we wait 43 years a year. We wait 3 years, 7 years in we married for 7 years. We went back your work now. That was your first interview. Now your second interview. We don't have me. Me gas at you. Do we have with dog in me? Me no hear it. Oh, if I don't hear it. So waiting with document. But the first interview, I was 47 years. When we were 43 years. In another platform. In one particular platform, not going on. And no, you cannot ask you good questions. You cannot answer your questions because why? And not get more women. No, can I fully way. Because I don't go away. Now, the questions are not supposed to be asking you every here and nowhere. How come the first interview you were 43 and I was 47? My wife was 50. Now the second interview, you and I did day. My me not over me, then the second interview now. That's very good. You see, I always said you can control truth forever. You can't control life forever. And now, the first interview, you have never called me on video call. That was your first interview. Wow, damn it, how? The first interview, you have never called me on video call. That's what you said on your first interview when I was analyzing your video. And I said, we have always been on video call. We've been doing things on video call, normal level. It's normal. It's just the way of life. Also, I mean, video and audio call. It's normal. Now, the second interview, you've also admit that you called me on video call. And peradventure, that is when I saw your daughter. According to you, you feel so? That is when I saw your daughter. This is the second interview of yours in a Nokia's platform. So now, which one do we believe now? Who is lying here? Who is telling the whole world the truth? The person lying here is you. Because let's go to your first interview. You said that we have never done a video call. And your second interview, and I came and said, no, we always doing video calls. We always calling each other on video calls. And now, your second interview, you admit now, well, yes, we've been on video call. And that is where I communicate with your daughter. And that's where I saw your daughter, right? Sister, where not the shame? Who can they lie for me as you now? Sister, who can they lie? You know the reason why I go feel they beat you? Because everything I'm saying is true. I never add my drink and salt, Jonah, to the beat you. The way the thing play now, I talk. I say your lap, now scream is fresh when I get your lap tear, it black, blah, 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 blah. The tear come, black come follow. Let's place the fair. Let's this the tear with black. No, as fresh man they be. It come the blah, 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 blah. Go to say your pekus. Now so your nyas be. The same tear. Now so your nyas be. I know that one woman born, it must get fresh man, no money for nyas. No normal level na hair. Especially when we fat with like say the nyas be like soft pure water. Yes, now pure water, yeah. Pure water, yeah. Now so your nyas be pure water, you're going, yeah. Bim, pim, pam, po, pa, po, pa, pa. I enjoy my shaman. I enjoy from the podcast. I enjoy my shaman. And they use that they learn how to do blue film. Go to that guinea. Even that in a big game now. Like with this. Even one. Say, Why are you screaming? Now, where did you say that we're talking now? Oh, Jesus, I don't die. Where did you say that? Oh, where did you say that we're talking now? Jesus, that is cut on my head. I see. Sister doggy, sister dog. Oh, God. So, woman, see. This woman, I don't even know if this woman, they stupid. Now, so she they foolish. And do with that beg bama. They laugh now. Act beg bama. You see, for those people where they say, from Victor the disgrace woman, a disgrace all better with you when they talk, say, from Victor the disgrace woman, a disgrace all better with you. But when I disgrace that here, who will I know what I can do with it, and I can do with it. Wow. No, when I can disgrace that here, social media, and I can't do with it, what I do. When this one was humiliating men, you guys were sleeping. What are you? The woman are of Yeravige, who are here. The woman are quite picture one, quite picture of Hane, via Susi, the Susi are of Hane, without Hamana was just Yellow. Our Hamana, no Susi, a Susi that the one of Zunda, on the picture of Hane, the picture here, I said better on that one get soil. I said about it, Mark Joy Agmontan, do you have a speaker? Do you have a speaker? Joy Agmontan, do you have a speaker? Who was soon our better Bijua? No, go back Bijua. When I was president of a blogger, no time for it is just equal. No go on book on what soon when the Neboroa. If I want to love a good one, when I Bolokoshi, when I feel boy, but it never knows your work. But when I speak about Zebway, who are here again? Who are here? When I could look up. When I want to look up, I'm going to go back because of 7 men or 7 men or 7 men were pinned down. Why are going to be one? Why are going to be one? Remember, I let the go. Remember, a disgusting of that boy. All will be you. What's the man that I do agree with you? All will be me. What's the man that I do agree with you? Why you never or dead me now? Who will this is useless, one of the useless women made it. If when a girl and my friend, where me are social media. Where me are there, you don't mean that social media go agree on social media. Am I stupid? Tiene. Where could he make the Obuna? Never banner. Ni useless no because you're going to have blue or near hair blue. You're going to near hair climb. You believe in him, a page man grow. Then with Frank, they can grow. I have the best Frankie, I have grow. Here like one zoo, what any can be without you. If Frankie like the word of zoo, I've been living like Bogioma. I've been living like Bogioma, and that's one of good name. Eh, you walk. Hello, ma, we are hearing you another place. You know what we hello, ma. Okay. Let's speak again.
In theater, I read the answer.
Greet you.
All those women, when they come outside, they use their mouth, they talk nonsense. When Palmewa come outside, before this woman start to vomit nonsense, tell them say I beg anything where conspire between both of them, I beg make you no face. If 2 people friend body, then you don't go away. They go rest. They go do their own. Say I beg, he beg this woman, beg her. Say his son are not good for body. That one number 1. When this woman starts to spread by Ajebo name, when you talk, say, that's what Ajebo give and belle. If say no because stand for that man almost cry for live video, say they don't believe this woman. We are not talking, say we want to get that we can't go now. We almost ruined this man. Oh, Ajebo, we are not talking this useless women. No, go make it their car. We are not talking. Okay, fine. Let all the love. When we are going to come outside now, you don't tell me this woman that you will say. When we are going to come out now, start to discover this woman. We are saying, we are one God that we shall go back and kill all of you now. I didn't do it. I was showering up and into the car. We are not ashamed. We are not ashamed. We are going to go to the extra. We are going to pretend as if we are the good person that we are going to no, it's like count about the fire. They count about no settle. After you two don't go away now, we know what to be come outside. They can't to me, they can't to me, no very well. Now we have one. I show you when you're home for a baby, no issue, man. Just less women when the people are come with women like this, fellow women like that. Our shower. We never talk home. So I want to say that bed. When I'm gone now. When I go to Shango bed, maybe somebody talk on my household. Useless women. That's what you know they pay. Useless women come outside. They tell them they talk for another platform. Now so, now if you king, now the ones. Beginning of 15, we just go with 15 year brown woman. This woman enter the house. Now so you boss her. You boss her, then also shit full her. Now so you know they wash clothes. When we want to tell video, they wash it white. They wash clothes, they wash the canvas.
Okay.
This will make you not see like okay, house. You're sure they change fellow women like you. Hey, child, don't be stupid. Get out.
What's it? Are we men? Are we worried? It's a very boss accident. Are we hawkmon? Are we have a boss accident? You can go to major boss accident. Oh, wow, this is beautiful. When you want like okay, and what I we have very good. Even the boot digging in the hawkmon. The only thing, the me. If you say I said the washing machine, we had the we read the washing machine, the social media, we had the it might live a fake life there. Me, more. In my bosses, it's a way about me. You can be the angel, right? You're an idiot. So, young boy. Then when I give me a man go to the salon, young boy. Umamio guitar. We were Lario, we were way out the boss as me. Near here, I'm going to one day. I'm going to go to the Kenyan bossy because if I need criminal. It can arrange bossy. You wish you open it, you saw it. Would they arrange you come here? Then you arrange one. Then the rest of that one hungry. I don't trust no right there. Hunger. The rest of me hungry wardrobe. Babe, who were our women? But if you are better than Moscow, oh, we are feeling now. Una socket all my white. You boy, your hair white, no book. I thought about your hair white. Let me not really woo. And I have to be out because why wasn't a CEO or get a be. In a soccer with bleach. Mumu let take your lead. Go and wash those clothes. We not work here. Mumu let Loveth be a ware call. Baba. You go forget herself. You not go even say she need to do something. She know they eat the money. Now so slimity. Or say we tea we 18 year kuyo wa ya. Ona wa this market on ya sility. A woman at this market, or mammy have models market, or mammy shopping at Mo's market in your wife. On what this market where I see tea. On where I see green tea, all those tea, and one I slim down, all those cafe tea. On where I see it, all those you what beam. You gave me one let take your lead. No, one go here. Bet me got back the semo here. A woman that is semo. A woman that is semo to the estate or a bit semo male with motor. If Bona have way, everything will talk the truth. We go, don't hear boy. I to when we ball. When I see verbal, what get you, when I verbal. You understand? Motor boys want base money. True of us. Most want base money. Loveth go attend the sermon. No, who have not the best now. Imagine we just because you the bureau already on ni we go a busi, ni go at besemu. That is not even the issue. Since next one drag you, this one expose you. Now go make an agbawa. You understand? We are nowhere bien now. But see where I am. Oguna minister of Moya Yobe. And see, he's mad as we speak now. Or Baro. Oh, yeah, well, you drag 18 now. You are still dragging the man to come back. The man refused to come back. The man refused to come back in the best live video. Uboka will give her. The two men who be here, you drag them. You drag their family. Now, what about me? Nadia, now me go drag you and drag the family. That your useless family will not get sense. We're born an idiot for social media. And we go below the comments. Everybody, oh, Wani. Everybody, we're no your ba. We're no your gammy. Oh, your ba. We're no your ba. No, you better ba. What soon? What soon will of Betty? Babogan Laweg be. If I bought a babogue, or I allow it, but work at the way. Oh, wow. This useless woman, all those many talk. Where audio? Let me play one audio. Where I want to play this audio because of the insult she was raining on my wife, enemy of my wife. Because wherever we can master 100%. We went to our work. That is where you women, my way to go you know. Now fuck. What's it about to follow you talk? I don't follow the young because I don't get future with you. Now who you get future with? Now you feel discuss things with. Woman you not get future with. What you want to discuss with her? Now fuck. After like that me I whip. It's a whipping system. I need to dope you. It's a doping system. The doping system must be activated. It was salary because why? If you sign a contract of knocking, and I have to knock you, I have to dope you, give it to you, go. Even if I don't sign. You feel me now? Me I work what you well, or you work me straight down. Let me pick this call. Hello.
Hello.
What up, baby?
Okay, where my brother?
Off with boo.
Oh, family.
No, I real life with you.
I know who real life video me who was saying I call when Nuta or Yame call because it's time we real life video ya call.
Okay.
We not going to know them or we no give anybody no call no come we no stop but we are being call when we stop. We no say any good call we have to no time no them or they don't need you to have when my or no believe it fear no in the latest of the things anything to that is go we know we fear. True that. What I want a bomb when you only the issue, or why me, you pan a bomb on Nana Cosania Wuhai. On not a low, Yafa. There you have no judge, you will get no Atano, there will when you however, a woman love however. I will not believe a woman, we are not here because they don't move about your ball, where you have a bone in your hand, my year. If you have a bone in Malako here, or for not always a woman, he might be at that moment.
Let's see.
All right, you are getting all right, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, we my love, man. Even when me love, if my love, man, we my marry ye Kevin. The social media and my you can testify. I either we are there. You know, ye Kevin accept me immediately. I'm going. Because I'm fully prepared. I was fully prepared. Well, yes. Eddie said, I am not a man I do things anyhow. I have budget of everything I am doing, especially when it concerns my life. I have budget. When it's time for me to achieve these things, these particular things, I prepare for it. And I do it perfectly. If it goes well, it goes well with me. I don't regret it. If it doesn't go well, I just forget about it. I will not regret it. Any of my failures in life, I don't regret it. Because the more I fail, the more I keep pushing for me to achieve, for me to get win. And when I win, I celebrate victory. You know what I mean? Even when I don't get I toast 247. He said toast. Oh, no. Mama, forget that thing. I came here get Becky. So I saga Kevin. The first person who was on saga, it was my top fans. When I saw saga, my top fan Sarah. When I'm a picture Sarah, when I want to Kevin. Now can I make what to Kevin? When I saga, I said, "Ben no get out." When I saga Sarah, he my friend Sarah. Sarah is a married woman. She lives with her husband. When I go, what it was media. Thinking she was marketing out of jealousy, alongside with the so-called ex-girlfriend of America, was paying you guys, investigating me. Looking how the demonic cell of an American as low as people are, Mudigo, I'm not about just to investigate on my. And at the end of the day, our normal oh, how many more would do? Oh, God. Yahweh, look at Buhura with Kiangway. I can't win on Kiangway. Yeah, I can't have your bone. Yeah, and sorry, everyone must sleep in it. Everyone must sleep us. And I take women. Hey, you both not genuine as if you go. And then by what I will at all. After, let me see, I can stand it. Gumagadi, I can stand it. And when I will build it, and when I will build it. No, let's go there. Oh, how my love head. You know what work with me? You're not a marriage. In my way, mommy, let the care live here. You're not a marriage. Do we not get responsible mothers? You are a beautiful, sexy, good woman. Frank Victor of all people. I'm not from the way I dodge you away. I was not proud or bold enough to say, become a winner, or my friend when you have a picture like them. They post it. No. But you can't be my love. May I go in life video where anybody will go here. If you young say yes, I agree. He are married Kevin. He agree, man. Babe, I want to marry you. I went no, we just start. No, No. Now come on, you know like this one. I'm the man of the people. I need to show good example to other. Nancy, are you well? You understand? So I need to show good example. So no matter. What divorce in Italy. Why are divorce been? You show me everything. Okay, fine. Then you know this woman married now. Let me go and talk to your people. Anyone have the marriage to come with the glory. She accepted me. Oh yes, I do. And it's a been on it. And that will take most. And then I take below. In an hour, when I don't know woman. You know, I don't know. You know, when I check with them. You know, I check with anybody. And be a quality. And better say. And better say, better can show you back. In a head. You know, you're one of them. You know, come on, you're you know what? If I you, I'm going to talk with me. I'm moving away. My God, talk with ya. Now, love it, take ya. Love it, tactical. Love it, tactical. Love it, doggy. Love it, doggy. Love it, doggy. I was in talking you. Who will not get put up by your who know who you are. May have introduction when I do one. Love it, doggy. Udaliana. Where do you? If you are not stupid, who am I my friend Kevin? You were in my house. Una soak by the bedroom. Maria Kevin had a video call with my phone on video call, on an audio call. My people, I beg. If person did video call for what you did, if the two of them talk, we're not going here. But they are telling us how. My had a video call. You're in our chamber. Menare office. Then she came to my office to ask whether I can really call with me on video. And I said, go and watch those clues. One shock in the way Umayo. Imagine someone call over yeah. Even not just to the story. What happened that day? Emma to a season or never did. The matter why I says on her, I didn't know like bear. Don Moscow. Una who ya call atiti. E phone who where ya there. Atiti. When did you phone away panwen? No ya call atiti. You know we know. Una we phone. You know we have to phone no ya call atiti. Na kana how to call. You know let you do. You know ya atiti. This was a particular phone I gave to you. Now you know ya atiti. Who you we call atiti na okay. Na kana work my way between. She now really did. Ona mo atiti yo. Ona you na ya atiti. Ona you not pan ya call atiti na contribute yo. Ya atiti. Ma very live video, ma video call, magwa. Ma video call, magwa. When I read Betru, una Nicola to agwa. My wife not to provoke. Why you go give her your phone? Why you go give her your phone? Now say go send no practice for your phone. Now say go you calm down. She the user, they receive, they watch acting live. Don't be say she the user. Then I have to come out my office to peep. To pick the bedroom if they operate with the phone. You understand? So really, she did not go to my data. All she do, she just go. Now me even put on the Facebook for her. Mom, your office. Tell me that I'm well vet soon. Mom, what it is your? Mom, we that to your life at real life in Amune. He took it to the bedroom. On a hand, it cannot flush, cannot brush. On a hand, if we were on a phone, okay, on a make a call. On a call at tea. On a someone contribute to you for hours. Ma, come say go. Okay, now I now agree. Collect the phone for your hand. Collect. No worry. They call now. You know, say they contribute for artistic live video. If you don't show, I'll go collect the phone for her hand. Then when you move your call. I mean, if all the true, then I'll allow her to true. If she's true, she give me my phone back. Now, what are you not saying? What are you insinuating? Well, I don't love my wife. The same woman I don't love. And you are in my house doping. I was on call. We are talking about the introduction. We are over there. Mama, planning introduction. Okay, okay, me. We are over there. What that hack go? Women love over in your presence. I was planning introduction February. And you're in my room. The doping is continuing. The continuity of the doping was dopingable. It was dopingable. And you deaf. When you are pressing the video call, you can't sit down near me. they see, you open your two eyes, they see Mark Heavy for video call with me. A woman is somehow, it's so dramatic. We, in the matter of Mark Heavy. And at the end of the day, you know, see that when I tell you live video, a day to the introduction, you know, don't have to be married Kevin. Now, the way here saga. When I went out, because I know where that needs to be happen. I felt push on the plug give you. Immediately I said, I don't marry Mark Heavy. Yes, you don't get bossed out. After introduction, but now I'm not even there. You know what I'm saying? We corner. Frankie don't go mad. Congratulations on that day, fool man. You now lock up. I pin down. Say, guy, man, yes. You need to fool those fools to achieve your glory. You understand? I did to knock back down. Not knock it to the beam. May knock it to knock back. You not cast pin. You not sex. What you hear? I said, Sister of America. You start giving us info. Why was she giving us info? Because she hold up my junior ones. On a viak before. Yale le defo. E money you never see any men mekoko. Abe wana viak before. On a yale le defo. You understand? Abe wana attack the tell where you can be your men no be. Another news no attack the tell where you can be your men nick be. These are the brothers that have settled the market for the beginning. You know, I said when I introduced her to them. I hear say marriage abe why you like when neck be. Me wanna change the mindset of here. I mean, when I split the family for two, as we speak right now, when I split my lady rather, the region, on a guy, Eva, it can be what Donny. You understand? In the time, what every work be not be a talent because every young attack, because what I'll tell you so well, the not life video. No, why I can have it and go better. I can do. Oh, when you face, why you here, right? Okbe we yiku e force you no o si ai se egbo ya e sister no me go money miss road de me go ali go me boku mi asek me agbera na me ga voice I got him so I have voice message media I stood my ground even no me gbonu me you understand unta ma ho na o degberan o degwa o better or that pepe or that poto or Gomeru. And at the end of the day, really introduction, I was planning marriage. I have to start releasing myself freely. Let me dedicate my love to my wife. Then let me see how I will be adjusting this relationship because I have them numerous. I joke. I have them numerous. I am saying it on social media clearly. Mommy, let take care. If you don't know, you should know me. I don't do this. Anything that you like, you will corner. You understand? Do my hair. Three wife, three woman. I may introduce my family. You understand? Hey Becky, not say what? The may introduce my family. Not say when I'm doing the way social media. When I'm where that's why. I'm going to go now. Whether they can or not. Not say where. You get percent on your book. Small prick. I love your way. I have to go out with my family at once. Small prick. Oh, when you are drunk. Larry of it. What position were you putting yourself before? Wow, that is all you do. What position were you putting yourself? Is it not 002? Second wife were claim. You were claiming second wife where since you have a convenient. Now you can also be the second wife. Oh, you are a traditional man. Anyway, down here, no problem. You look high. Let me think about it. Loveth, tell the world. I say that we have board because why? They do what tell what about. You didn't do. They are here to tell what about them. They are here to tell. They are here to tell what the little matter. But I just want to lie. I go to the I go expose me and you. What me here expose? When me expose, where he me expose me. You don't feel me so? Why second wife? You know when you calm down, you can't take care of it. Because I see the weight of elephants, nothing can settle. I know you cannot settle in my life. But I also said this elephant is too big. They have but at least no swag. I all round figure. I motor. I know I more. I know I big. When I pay some. No. How can you imagine? The mercy working me, imagine love working me. When community wife, and you no love ya. I don't understand. So when what they give me now, even what the woman you can be what sexy. When what balance, what sweet for it. What would I would you make your man? What would you know? What are you? Oh, you will be one girl. Oh, Degby. Oh, Degby, let's work. I'm not fat. But at least, only when not fat to the next one. What's every man? And I'm a window. Oh, Degby, Larry. Like what packing? Nothing. Well, I don't know what you do. What wash? How can you ask? How can you imagine? Madam Young, how can you imagine? When I was saying that, next thing I say, in a boom, let lovely. You was it where go home. When I was saying that, what better than you was something like a fridge now. Oh, when I something now. Mention my hair, we are more elephantiasis. What they come on? Then when I came in a Magby, Baba will enjoy. This is a more bazzy. Baba will enjoy. Ah, what the? What they go to 12? Yeah, not because. What they go to 12? Yeah, not because. What they go to 12? Yeah, not way. What they go to 12? Yari, hello, you mom. You ever what they go to 12? Yeah, not way. What they go to 12? Mommy, let you can lead you. Oh, back, sister. Oh, back, sister, oh, back, where you be. It's a sister. Oh, sister, she finish. Ain't that way to laugh? Sister, move you. Larry. Never give you a cat, get your solo away. Ah, solo. Hey. Everyone there go to 12. Yeah, oh, God. Larry, Mula take it. What? How would you expect me? Yeah, would I to show her with the dinner? Why, 43 years old, why, 43 years old, where am I taking men of what? He never know one of who at the age of 115. Oh, my Basenia! Oh, my Basenia! Oh, not back me! Not back me! Oh, not me! Apollo! Why you gonna say that I got a marriage? Why you gonna say that I got marriage? Why you gonna say that I married this guy? I don't know. Hey, what is it? He had been your almost what is it? He had been. Almost what is it? He had been you are because Hey, he's a boss, my leader, my boss, boss of all boss. That is me. Mumule Tekalit. Don't forget, I am your boss, as you always say. That you always call me boss of all boss, the social media boss. NUTA. Mumule Tekalit. Who America connecting my way of where could be. Oh, where to make heaven. Even on social media, we were called your life jogging. And when I was attack where who are you women? Didn't hear you a judge in a run, a barrister in a run. That was what we were saying on live video. After live video, now you are called, now you are going. Who do that? Now, after me not for that one. Give me your picking. Now, okay, problem you. You know, we are in the judge. No, I don't know. Imagine the picture. My no, before the picture go. Oh, yeah, the picture will go. Do it now. Me, I'm be near you. To my You know the truth. You just try to play games. My dear, I'm going to expose you. Una forward the picture where which I look at the both of them. They might be beautiful to the eyes of their own boyfriend. But for me, they are ugly with church. They are too fat. A lapin, we are really with round face. Child. With round face. Now, you let the girl in your road, you're blue now. You let the girl know you why is the whole land? Is your whole land? And why get whole land? Small boss, why I follow up the whole land? You go, you let the girl in. Gumezume, you like. I will be you a go. Wagije will be let the girl do. Wagije. Now, Wagije will be let the girl in. Me one friend you when Mama said, don't friend away. Me a friend you when now. With the power and the strength that's with me. When the man of God said, can the bride and the groom stand up with a clapping ovation? Ladies and gentlemen, let's clap for Loveth and Frank Amazwa. Let the broom, let it raise the bride. The bride, who come and lift you away. Oh, but I lift you away. You are here. Gira, you know, so can I say, Agbira. Who say Agbira? Matty, you might be epic basic. Quality again. Here you can why you keep your car. Keep your family, keep your car. Wa family of Bunay in Albion. Family of Bunay in Albion. Egg down on Kiri. Egbokiamie, Egbekiamie, Egbeni Gwedo, ni Goba signé a throne. No ana soon. Egbeni Goba signé throne. Egbokiyo ba. Wa gbe wa gbon. Kuwe kegbe wa soon we de neborowa. Babo lawe gbe. At the end of the day, jaga jagbuwa. Be jagbuwa ge yehan wa soon. Why kona gwale a back up a live video? Why you web way? No, wagon, Gizue, Gualeki Becali Holland. Where is Papillona, Gualeki Beca Gualeti Tali? Gualeti Tali. E la fête warrior, ah oui, Italy. Uganuego Nanyase, Wagmonana Ugbe. Uganani someone yase, Magmaye, Unanyaka Manyase, Magmaye, Why la fête, Nanka Uno Yawekia. Obviously, I remember you, what a young la. Umemwa, umana kauba koto. Ugaya mwenye you are your. You are your home. You are your home. You are your home. Sister, no man, connect. I can't believe we payable. I can't believe we payable. I can't believe no so no one that what talk with wagon. No, you won't be away. Dete Vivian, you no neck be. Or say when you go out trust that from what? Dete Vivian ma trust tajebo. E ma tu hu dama te azaga jebo. Mo no hu we. Mo gbeke you wo he. Who whatever you dene, when you are pregnant. When in there they love you be no call it how. That will give how me. I pray that you are better. Who hate tell me. Make una listen to my people. Make una listen. When I share this video, let's continue and start talking. We get a lot about this woman to say. Including Onto Mama on YouTube. Onto Mama on YouTube. Shift closer. Lotuta. Onto Mama on YouTube. Untouchable Mama. Untouchable Mama. Watch out, Lotuta. No marable. Why we're not Lotuta? Untouchable Mama. Lotuta. Down here. Sit down. Buy your popcorn and come closer and sit down. Untouchable Mama. Let me give you your own. Now, okay, when I have money, you didn't take permission from me. You want to abort my baby. You are going to prison for that. Both you and the doctor that did that abortion for you in Papillona, I'm going to show you guys. You want to try me? You don't have respect. You don't have respect. I will deal with you. I will use to show example. A born woman, a born here, I know you. Ya no body one. Ya is your boy you are. Ya come go you second. Ya is your boy you are. Ya see you for 2 minutes. Ya see you for 2 months. 2 months you know 2 months. I will do that. Ya see you. Onto mama. Total. And I bet you marry. Oh we are. Na hala. Oh we yak man ko den. Work ba mama. Work ba yak man ko. Work ba 6 weeks pregnant. Work ba yak man ko. Hija. Now. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? We have to go straight to this matter. Is very critical. You know what I'm saying? It's very critical. You know what I'm saying? So we have to go to this matter. We have to see the end of this matter because I want to start reading. On top of man, what way I were here, I was surprised. A woman I have here or so just to whom it may concern. I do. Yes, Becky. Even a video to whom it may concern. The first person that just gets it right was Becky. And Becky went, hey, this is an arrest pay now. This is an arrest pay how? This is an arrest pay. Imagine Becky, yeah, where? Becky was jealous. Becky was a guy. Before they wanted to help me, and a part of the pick for that side. A part of the mention person name. Then we need degree. Oh, we had where was a part of the user cost casha kaima. A brother Jabon Low was very smart. And you know where? When I tell now be the woman, we're going to with her. Make me share this video. I don't know part 1 or part 2 of my talk. People go pack guru. They want to know be the woman. You know? Oh, hey, you Susu not calling where you were. Susu was suspecting her. Susu was suspecting Pemi Osula. You know, confused. But she was no longer okay. Oh, say, let us up this nothing, bros, Alpha. You know, I know. But I will let us up this night where you come on. I'm only exposed. You know, okay. Let us okay, bros, we're not soon. You know, as a bidder, everywhere cast. So, me, I will like video. Yes, I got well. And I know, carry on. Move on. And may not get the bullet. She was not, she was Chris. She was mad. Now, call her. Babe, relax. What did they do? They vest me. You they support where they insult me, they insult my wife. The funniest part, they would play the insult on your live video. You they analyze the video. Where they tell my wife, say, you get a quicker. You get a quicker. Do you have a quicker? Do you have a quicker? My sister, take it time. I say, beg me finish. Now, so okay, don't worry. Let me change the saga. Let me bring the saga come. I'm going to see change them. Now, if I go change the saga for you, don't worry. Watch me. Now, come on and say, hey, Susie. Oh, don't wake up. Hey, Susie, yo. You want but for she to get rest of mind, she will almost give up. She was on my neck. Hey, okay, what to do? Now I have the verse for that you, but I don't care. Because Susie, saga my wife. Me no know so that this woman carry my wife picture, our family picture, go give Susie. Make Susie they beat my wife. As Susie they beat my wife, she they block the video. She they pretend they do blogging. Oh, Fenorowa, oh, Haminorowe, Wemirowa. But you see how this woman they demonic rich. Me my guy. Omo. Before I know what happen, now baller for Susie. Now say now Susie, now come shop my prick. Now Susie come shop my prick. Fine, me and Susie talk fine. All that one way say, my nipple, if you talk my nipple, apiko. Susie utai. That's clear, you know. Do not me you tie. Wife call. 12 now. Now tell me see, now nipple after they come. Because you don't say I like breast. In fact, when they breast, a breast like a boy. Almost a breast like a boy. Because this woman knows say I love breast. No be lie. Napoli, don't play with Napoli. It's very sweet. Everyone else was so. I have to come out to remove that saga from my head. If you now watch carefully, if you now listen carefully, when they use brain, after I come out, because now Susie, now I can't shop my bola. Now this one fall out time. You see, this one change topic. So now I just born and get left for. Me, when saga you were we got you, we saga. A woman am go. You want a woman now cut the chili. Go see what your useless strucky mates go see what they do. You could laugh at the boy and say, now the boy I give my belly. When me and you know what they do, you know, leave on. Leave at the boy we saw you, we see I. The day I call it Saka Suzuzi. And my wife can't talk for that, see. You know, do I so now? Woman not give for wife about where your nipple, a nipple, because my wife was on call with me. That was on speaker. When it was the food yourself for video call, for voice call. You understand? That's in a converse her. Now, they hear a reply to my wife. Before I play a reply, let me talk to Onto Mama. Onto Mama, after this whole saga between Susie and Momile take your lead. And that's what they call a fight when Susie can bring picture commands, bring our picture with the also bring our commands. 12 they call it get down. So this Odegbe was wants me to join her saga Susie, which I cannot do. You understand? Because I know they see the scenario say, man, these two people they get what they hide, what they want to use against me. So what I need to do, I have to stay middle. Give this one, I give this one. Now when I do the video, na nice. Me and my wife the bed. I go say, who I no yekia baran? Eke no wa we no yekia o de kala wa. Sister, we stay your lane. Susie, stay your lane. Why ever so? Why mo so to? Why mo wo wa na get daughters? If you want homework na yekia ba, it not gonna make sense. I do that video bam. The next day, now she call me. Honey, Malake, we don't want to that's on. Malake, no, how you going to it takes the voice, you might be the voice. As we speak now, voice in my careful. You understand? Now, I'm not voice in then you Kevin. It took a blabber, not okay. I don't hear you. I don't hear you. Mais non, ma voice de Kevin. Mais non, bon. Because I give away. Not the one side again. Okay, we're not back here. I can back. Okay. Maybe you call it now. The next that's one I got to talk. You know? I said, I got to lie. Forget those things. Who carry those pictures go give Susie? Susie not can't lie, say. Now my wife. As soon as we are borrowing. We are borrowing away if I can where what do we carry? Oh, and we tell social media where to confess here. So, on me when I want to him, what I would matter. Suzuki, I saw it. Oh, and we tell what he make me where to confess here. Where the tone of my video give way. Where the tone of my video give way. A video of phone men at Namu give way. When I'm walking men, or walking men, or send that your COA, or COA not send that your way, no, send that you way. You know, when I feel go away, a walking men are only sitting here and black will see. And then black will see. And when you might go over to you, people with the Namina call the custom. If not, nobody knows now black, now beneath woman should be. Nobody knows now beneath woman. The day I go their general tap, go first for their general tap. For Komu. Beneath me will see me there. I didn't say my wife, they say, who be my wife? You know, when I Kevin. You know, you can be Kevin. Now, when I can be you, you can be one. No, you want to be my own. You understand? Because you're not a big. Okay. As soon as you to tell where, or walking over here, I was to story. Whereas, may I go with me? I don't see you carry my video comments. And I make my voice call the move to me like that. You might only call it you. You understand? You might only call it you, might only ask anybody. But it's okay. Oh, no more video like that. You got this one blast heaven. I will frankly they were done. Oh, that's when the register of the woman the frankly a page where I will blog you today. More pages don't grow. I will put that page for you. I help you to grow that page to 6,000 plus followers. Then you have to raise the wings. Before you keep with the page get the Becky go with the followers yo. I'll go there yo. You understand? I was sharing the page. I don't want to go far. Because if I go for your matter, I go the verse. You understand? You come beside the saga you. Which I know where will be in your gear. It did again. I saw it. I said, to told to cover up, to feel why I have plan here against my marriage. Now, this same one now was my 002. This same one, so she was even pregnant. You understand? My dad will say, I just can lock her. No, what's what am I talking about? Maybe the fake life. When I was doing it, but you don't know anything about me. I wish now this one you talk now, go say, okay, let's take the Frank. You don't know anything about me. If we are taking no on live video, oh, see, oh, okay, person of kind of book one. MS when you have a live video. You have money, man. Do you know how many years my work did? A person of who? But have you ever seen her on live video do her own saga? No. Oh, think I don't know so one apart my friend. And I look at one, my friend. The real matured minded women in the dates. In their own door, then they put like a love for you. They're mocking you guys. Because we're mature. Look at when you're talking like that, you don't get people like babies. They get on the talk now, you see, you're picking signora. Of you what doing? Young small girl, of you what doing? Oh, my food be like video. I never found my freedom. I never did that. It give me belly. Because me actor remember. You know anytime again. It give me. You know come and cry. We're not talking about work on the pool. We're not going to also a live video. Yes. When you are so on and so forth. They are well sad. And the bad here. You work warawa. Mami wane mama wawa. What is Talos a live video? Oh, we know the gift of the agreement. On m'a donné qu'elle n'a la vidéo. Mais les maris, on a des big congratulations. To me, we see the talk. Oh, we ain't here second wife. I know say Frank be better person. I don't be second wife, I beg. You have to no problem. No bastard. Beg with the talk. You don't get what you want to do now if you come. If you need idea to come in, I beg, I just need your idea, your advice. Else me come on. If the advice eh. All the way before the moment. All the Kevin. These are women that have sex. No, man, why? Now, who go at the end of why I tell me how cannot feel the way you go now. You say, you never bought the belly before. They listen, when they listen, she said, the time when she tell right to me, say she has aborted the pregnancy. Say she know about the belly. He said, unto mama, know about the pregnancy. Unto mama, now your advice and say make you know about her. Why don't how? Unto mama, now you give her the advice. Make she know about the pregnancy. Make she rather leave the pregnancy. Say, since Frank not pick your call, with time, if you don't want the picking, Frank will come collect the picking. Don't worry. See a call. Oh, we are now. Oh, no, my colleague. You are calling. You call it. Eh, my call. What's the money when you see I? When you are going to see a quiet. Well, damn it, oh. Oh, that's a quiet. Now, listen. I go read one of the pick points for which I want to talk so because I will go further to go read. Then that if I read and write up. Because as I talk to you, I'm going to kill you with proof. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to lie for your head. I'm going to use truth to disgrace you. Hey, we sit down making it here. Man, you know, say, hey, boss is always the boss. X, you don't give a guy, not say you know the truth. Forget. With the saga of you, I'll be your number one enemy. That's true. There is no way for this life. When you go for your gut attack, say, Frank, Victor, you do this thing well. You're not dead. Now, let me want to talk. Yes, you are right. Not the reason why. Because you're my child. Oh, how? You don't get me? Oh, you're going. Who can't more damn it? Also, no matter what, and who are Miss Baby boy, black and blue. You can't go you boy. When you have a good boy, they go on you are there. You don't feel so. But you yourself know the truth for the person way they tell you say yes. With the body language and the way they lie up and down. When you don't get we, and don't get some when you recharge card. You know the truth. Another one side. Then this woman now tell me say, he still get the belly. When he come, can go about the belly. He say he about the belly after I did the video. Say to whom it may concern. Everybody call the Sagaran. Ajabo call the Sagaran. Now he can tell unto mama say, unto mama. Unto mama. This pikin never come life now. Everybody they say get me. This pikin never come. Salobua. My ear want for life. This pikin never come life, man. Everybody they say get me. If everybody you come here say, only bola na go shop now. Only go shop bola. If everybody come here and say, I get belly food. They go to beat me. Unto mama, tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. First, he say unto mama, say, don't they cry again. You don't do. Now, after mama call the pet out, according to us, explanation to me, to still come back again. You didn't so. So, now make me write you. Say, I they come back for March to come beg you. So that me, we will talk, I want to do the belly. I will talk, I want to do the belly. I beg. I said this so I get documents. If I just born for here, and you just send me your passport. I will just do what do they call a resident for me. You go do resident for me for Spain. I will just put your name. Once they just send you a visa, you just come Spain. You just go to Spain. They will just give you documents. As you just put one for Ghana, they just give you documents. I say, Frank is so funny, baby. Nothing when document not gonna make person do for this abroad. Not to tell when document not gonna make you do. I say, So, just like that. Say no, for here. People not they hard for here. They pay long one now. In many here. And I won't be that one. If I get office where you carry you go, and you put for ground, don't give paper be that one. If I carry you go, you don't mention many name of office. Ire Spanish. Is it Maya? Imagine that you Maya. You understand? You don't mention many. That's it. I go say, okay, I will think on. You understand? I'll think on. Okay, fine. Now, when the saga, according to how, and she's talking, and the saga hit her. Now she calls it Auto Mama. And the saga me, my baby. If I don't born this baby, they go saga me and the baby. Yes, saga me. Auto Mama, what do I do? Mama, you're a man, a corner. Auto Mama, what go about belly? See now, Auto Mama can't tell us, okay? As it can't be like this now, since they know they saga you, now really truth, if they hear say you born for men, you are egbe, you are saga egbe, you are saga you don't want me to saga my king, my prince. I'm winning no more my now. It's probably me to your west. I'm going for momo. Ekwe bo. The wale kunene kuya wakolo ni yazi me wakele wasa ngile yawa. The kukusanga my prince. Anyway. Now to mama continue to make it go aboard belly. Auto Mama, and I continue to say make it go aboard belly. I say, Say yes. I'm sorry. You will not picking my calls. Which we are picking my calls. But I'm not about the baby. I'm sorry, please. I will make it up to you next month ending, which is March ending. I will make it up to you if I come again. You come again. And now, let me tell you one thing. I know the fear to the fucking show. I talk with TV. I say, babe, relax. Me I tell you one thing. You see the way I get to it? As I say you don't abort the belly, it is over between me and you. Me and you not feed it. Because when you give me money, man wait till that say. Man wait till that friend be. You understand? What make you think? What make you think we me think I will get me one day? If you when I say I give me more, that means you think me what? Okay, when I go with me, my enemy of Papi King. Everybody when I say give me one. So my thing, I don't do. Basta. He say no be way we call them. Don't worry. The person will bring the video come out. I know him. Now my S. You know, if you want to know when time reach, I go say drag the person come out. And I'll tell you, I say now my S. Immediately you come up my house, the same person come. And I give the person, the kid not get phone. When we say phone will carry come for the square. The boy now they play game. Me not get game for my house. Now I use my phone, give him. He download game from YouTube. my phone. When the body while away time. That was when I do saga on my palo. You understand? Because of the baby, I have to shift it to my palo so that no one will give her noise. Now, this same woman, no way, me man love her walking me. Ye me love. Ye me ate marry. Eri me ta mo walking way. It me plan. It me targets against the walking me. Oh, when man love, na introduction. Oh, when man love, na pay bride price. Oh, when man love, na marry you are. Na me boy. When the man love, na where don't be way. Why shame to you? So I can't smoke homo. I don't call no good and bad. So you will be the good woman, the beautiful, sexy woman, the Arab people conquer belay. I can't dump you. Can't go marry the woman I love. Shame to you, my sister. You get where I'm going. Wa go me live video. You get where I'm going. Any bunya tamawe. Yeah, ko ariyo. Bini ma bino giwa ko ariyo. Na wa ko ya go every evening, every morning. Ma. Aya ya go. Ku kiwe. Ijo also egbe. Yeah, when we walk in my way. When you walk around, it is your way. But you cannot escape this. If you don't get stupid, you're not gonna be stupid for all I can. But you guys are a bunch of fools. Now, let's come to the side of Avialili. You also mentioned Avialili. Ha. Thank God for this social media. Avialili is my girlfriend. Confirm. Mentally. My wife did a go for face to face. Then I will make now. I might make me 1D for face to face. You understand me now? A distance. Always say no Avialili. Even Avialili, they call in for my life. You that I say. Apart from that, you go where they friend for Jen. Anybody put on you answer guy because frankly, a guy, you know. It was not a joke. So what I say? So what are you trying to insulate? You didn't say anything to talk. Now you want to tell me now say, make I can show you where they come from my life. Make I can show you or can't be with trick about we were born here allow it, a bogian pa. We made up where a very more you go you more cake be. You know when the Facebook when you ban you family who are so. You went to a song. Me I know what about. No way I swap with Pierre like you were. Okay, I'm going to go there. No way I swap with Pierre like you were. Mamma, let take your leave. No way I swap with Pierre. Okay, I'm going to go there. Asaloe, brother, the salome, sister, boloe, women went to calome, sister, boloe, salome, Solome, asologun asola piko, asologun muye kresoleye, asologun mudaure soleye, asolo. Kala kwa no, aga akalu kwa, ayo ene agbespo mi we kwa, awu ya hebu. You. No ye gbeso kwa avio, wa igba avio ya you become a single mother part 10, part 20. O agba we. Because of my words. Oh, no way. Yeah, I'm genuinely. You have to go to say this woman wants to be a wife. And I'm well at the web. Ah, they will say, eh? Men organo. You mean I'm well at the web way? I'm going to be this one. Extra out now, extra large. I want to go there. Oh, yeah, Ben, I'm ready there. Also, we are you so. Oh, hello. If you are me call, yes. Since I went to Mama, you don't get conscience. You want to keep it speaking? You may be able to look back. You may be able to look back. You may not win away your bonnet. One more morning, when I tell you, you may not win. You know, when you're back here, all your body, you era let you go on. I'm an aragbo. Say, go now. Is you when I'm going to you and I'm also Yavi. Each when not, or I fear, or Yavi. Each when I must not this woman, because your mother is not forgiver. I will because a mother now, I'm going to Holland. My first trip to Holland, they are big way. Yeah, Becca, you Mama, let the girl, yeah, Sally, you are doggy. You are going doggy. You have wow with dog ya. Who went me on the other log you were. Or you were way I better me a bonus you well. Mommy, let a quick colleagues. Only see you where I bear. Yeah, go away, go away. Oh, yeah, boggy way me, I boggy way me. Hello? What all? Oh, you are? Okay. Then you may speak up. Why am I with doggy no? Sister doggy, a doggy star. Or a speaker?
Hello, bros.
Yeah, a speaker.
Man, speak English. Good morning.
What all?
No, let me set the whole answer. Now, question we want to ask you because let's say ask a question there yesterday.
Yes.
Bros. All of us celebrate you say they give you documents, you understand?
Yeah.
She say you tell her say documents when they give you. Now document when you fit in work, but you know if you use and travel. Not truth.
And what did she tell me that one?
So you tell her say document when they give you. You don't feel use and take travel, but you feel use and work because this time they not give you document when you take work when you know if you take travel.
You know I will marry. She didn't lie. She never talked to yesterday. They don't give me documents. Say my self-claim document. My self-claim document. No, we are a Benin already, man. Yes, winner. Yes, you travel there. The country knows yes.
Travel. That one and number one, bros. You divorce can me ask all the question. Okay. Then number two, we said to stay na mama Kevin begin now you have been there, but you mama Kevin can't carry himself when you marry you, but you be Kevin who are a guy. Or where you tell me because we are honey 15 and 16 years old. I'm not when you marry nowhere. Then once I know we get the time, go your honey, we are those guy, we are only we are saying marry Kevin.
Wow. Okay.
Bros, you are saying so.
That's the question, B. Beautiful. First of all, the man will butter. So, another Benny man. A Benny Gumaya, as a handicap, then you now also come out to be celebrating my documents. Right? We don't know celebrating the even where a backbone, every girl travel. We don't know celebrating. That's what you as First of all, so come out here, even be my self-claim documents. As you also said, my self-claim wife. That was the video you did in every platform. And now, yesterday now, so as you said now, a penny now, yet you travel, yet you are when after us, Mabueri dates. They are really women. None of come away, Yanni a penny, yet you travel, yet the work, yet the woo well be. Bell. Imani documents, una celebrated documents. I just we quick down here, boy. When I will video, we live video, celebrate me. Uwe, a binary mega, Salabo was away, and yet be me. That is okay. I said that the baby, the one me, I give me. Okay. Not me, no need to hear how I travel. I let it be me, but once I love every alpha. What you turning we are able me? You keep had me travel. Why are you? We are Itaiba. Am I going to talk? Am I the me? Many documents. Many documents. Many documents now. Am I able me? More than one away. Am I able me? Mamma travel. Many travel. Maybe now. Nothing. Ordinary one day. Many more Italian. But let's love you. Are you okay with that? Another one say. Then we hear a talk of one of the wow. Who we may time where? Let's tell you because say. Oh, you be me. I'm here. See, mommy, let love the exchange. Oh, well, mummy. Oh, you woman. Oh, where? Vous doyez yo. Ben, we get your bonne, boy. Oh, we tell what, oh, to what, boy. We might run away when me. You run your daughter for me. At the end of the day, what do we care? If you go with you, I might be a mugu. Hello. Hello, we are hearing you rather clear. What up?
Everything software, but you are very foolish, Loveth. Because if you never buy the smell according to you, way or some way, ye can be out. Who where? Then 1 year saba. Ye man like ye Kevin or sexy.
Okay.
I asked you to get Kevin 100 times. I ain't moving number 1. When I get a white judge with my because what is a Kevin? Even with 4 children, she's still looking good. Also move where? Then they can run out of the when from it or like is the attack. When or waiting, I can't start dying 10 dollars here. If I do not told even your body language, the face you will never work one. I want me over way. Well, I don't know, lay wake here. I don't see where I am. I pay bracelet. If from it, not pay bracelet in March. When I read the message, they way a man sends in the way they I don't know if Facebook in the apple where my God the leader can but to me what post a happy married life.
Okay. What are you?
Okay, where don't ye or not live? There's no way in where they are live because of you were with them with the Savito. From there, when I chant on you, go where it's snatching the thing on you went down. It's snatching at me. Then why lads ya walk Savito me didn't tell me how well even we may wear the face system. The money you struck my then I can when and then the well, man.
Here we are, then.
Even when just supposed the woman are track. A man is from 70 years, 60 something.
Any market move. If you have any gatos.
Yeah, you move.
You move.
Then your man or when they get to so anything or when they with that beautiful girl, they step daughter when they win a master no man when I shame at this place now. Or got only one day in a winning way by. So when you power when all is there here, where is the Diana? What there can I want to your by where? I can now what you say, now the forget of women like well lay. Before from the toy, man, I want it. They get so wow. Here are some way, and one of we are looking at why here, put your one, oh, you're not young. Who can see what I don't know my way, but they out. But I call now this thing when my talk woman like that, so now we're going to find many years. One of them is social media, why I say, I don't care. No, you wait here.
Okay, Westman, thank you very much.
I'm very ashamed.
I want to play audio. What? Now, no calling, want to play audio. A woman now where you man him a friend here, Kevin. You may go dating here, right? She now also now do that where they have me here where a ye Kevin like oh yeah, and yeah. Or we my friend you can be. Then yeah, come away, yeah, come away. We try the first video where Uma where we look, you know what? Uma we mezi ye Kevin say. Now, but what you are not saying now, we may do have more sell your way. Oh, you may, anyhow. What are you? I'm going to be married for the Kevin. Make what you get. All your guy, yak man, not now. Now you guys should listen to this audio.
Hello, good morning. About this market, you. I just heard you. No. I will call you. Maybe in a year, Sabi. I always say it every time there are people
and you play out you go on that call.
You have have the respect for them.
Ordinary.
Anyway, somebody like you, I think,
Ordinary, eh? You might only posse, you only walk better, walk down the hall. I want to, you know, long. You know, you don't walk down the hall. Ordinary, you might down the see the end. You understand? You got cross checking our chat, Ivan. They are me ordinary. So you act bay, and ordinary, you got when you send the message, you give Kevin. When you make Benny, you Kevin. But fortunately, he might bay. So the bay, now, you need ordinary, and what down your oil. After all, you know, your coin every life you know that. Or down your you know, be good. I don't
even have it in my mind where I want to have any quarrel or any issue with you. No. Wish I have seen it before right from time to date. There's nothing I have an issue with you. You get why? Yeah, I always saying it. There are something you might really comfortable with. Please. You see, I call you, but I don't want to say it on the first record to you. Because sending voice record to you without him call you, we saw that a sign of the respect. So say not I call you. You beg a woman when okay, maybe you are busy. Please, I want to beg you of something. I don't want to have any quarrel with you. I don't want to have any issue with you. And maybe one is sad more, maybe you are on sadly, no. But personally, my mind, personally, I don't think I have nothing with you. Even with Mommy Susie, the same thing I was telling her. Although here we are, and Mommy Susie was totally different. Mommy Susie, she is not my friend. She is my in-law. Mommy Susie, the mother of Mommy Susie, and my stepmother, no marry me. The mother of Mommy Susie and my stepmother, they are the same father. If you bring out Google say, sometimes while we video, the way you can feel no going, please. Now, please. Now, we take maybe Timohenzo, that's what I want to say, Timohenzo. But you see, the respect in him is so deep. The respect I have for you. About this man, the respect I have for you is so deep, and there's nothing. No, do you have anyway. No, anyhow. No. Maybe sometimes, maybe I do something you misunderstood me. But we know who are going. No. That respect, I hold it. When I make my respect, when I make my covenant, I hold with it. There is something you do for a long time ago. Maybe that from that day I hold the respect. Forgot we relationship with Allah. When I dated you, I did not do it secretly.
Wow.
No. I was not hero water in my marriage. Hero water in my way secretly. No matter when I say, have you ever seen me sitting and denying you? I cannot do that. Because before I came to you, my children, they are away. Even in your presence, see my children calling me. Even my siblings, they called me when I was in your house. So I don't do that secret. No. But before I did tell him, my children is away. My siblings, they are aware. I will always tell them, well, this is what is going on. This is it. Yeah. But when you can be a funeral going, I don't really comfortable with it. Please. I say nothing, I call you Epa. Please, it can't be called you whether you're regarding of in my way with the platform we will say Ajebo. I don't want to stress that issue so long, I will call you. But I call you Mom to tell you that the boy will get the which I am not going to let him go for it. No. What did it that weapon? One of those way is impossible. Between me and you, I did not do it secretly. Maybe you maybe I believe for a picture of you have it all. Even when I was in your side, my children called. I think my daughter talked to you.
Okay. Good him. You guys listen to what she said. Her daughter spoke to me. This same idiot, lunatic, baffled, this mess. This man will be saying, the iron head. Stretch mark their brain. This man will be saying, stretch mark their brain. You know, hear what she talks, say, Her daughter spoke to me. This idiot. Wait, don't say. He picking up, he talk to me. He picking up, he come here. He picking up, he do this one. He picking up, he do this one. You put up the platform. You hear the audio. You did hear the audio. National talk show. This idiot. This mushroom. This Australian goats. This one is an Australian goat. You understand? This Australian goat will stretch man they break. When I hear, okay, let's make a plan. I don't come here to plan. Now go listen. I never hear this you. Now go here. Now go here by myself. Now go here by myself. I think you say I'm going to use truth to follow you for this matter. This matter don't be to use lie the saga person. Like the way you do so. How do you call saga? You fool yourself. It's the truth. Who they see, who they look us, they know where the truth is. And I'm going to use the truth to kill you. Australian puppy. Then listen, make I continue the plan.
I don't want to. We are one time we are called. You can't see me or Johnny home. You can't see me. My era must see me here. Imole or Rema. And they be made of me. So my way. May women and I will not say taboo. And I won't take up my way. No, I don't do things like that. And I think I'm big enough to select what I want. I only don't be now want to be. Like if I want to go, I don't care. Irrespective of what anybody are going to say, I'm not after that. No, I will go for what I want. So that is it. So if I have anything will be in any secret, they keep the you of your Latin. Where then you have your Latin, okay, I said no. Because each time I think I've seen almost 3 of your video when she will be making your let care lead a real let the girl in Mondo where only the work tell you. In my way, last year now we send the recording up with Larry and not baby live video. Tell if any secret around you lay, let us say it. No lie, no lie, let us say it. I respect you so much, and I still keep on respecting you. Please. I respect you so much. Forget your relationship with Olao. Even when you toast me, what did I tell you? Oh, here with my hair, man. Because when you have my alone, we love you, my sister calm. Which I told you all this. I told you all this. Now, even you have my dating or the way you love you, it's a scam. And it's scaring me. Really scaring me. Just that I'm not used to it. It might date it, but they might do anything with it, but I'm not used to it. But if not, I would have nothing to do with our people. But I don't like the way they handle things. Even yesterday, she even referring to I know you try to control that area. I saw it. I was watching. You try to control, not control him. I saw it. And that makes you a man. You're not control him. So, even I watch, they was calling me with Mama, you can be very go. But the sister Susie, my sister Susie, my sister Susie, my boy, I message me that way. Or we are healers. We are healers. People know us and they keep on calling me like, why I worry? He watch a video. And I see the way about this man control that place. Lao. Anything wrong, no is secret. When you can pay. Now, so that maybe to her maybe as a cage or then you open then you have a real thing you bony let us so do it also. Oh, Marie, maybe with Marie issue, Marie we keep money. Yes. Maria we keep money. He said me wow, when you told me, I said it will be able to give me my people know. My people know. Can Imawele? No. Imawele. I bought my ticket. I came to your house. And I see you are a very caring man. Even when people are talking with Franvito, anyone from Vito will talk with video, any from Vito you will talk. Franvito is totally different than the way I get. Okay. But I see you. May I go my read the one? I see you.
Unadera. Franvito is a very caring man. You are a very caring man. Very caring when he carry away. And he carry away. Oh, but no guamu when. Franvito is a very caring man. I care for the pickles. Franco Mozo, Baba with the cry. You could have said Baba with the cry is a very caring man. Mama, when they carry man, they don't care because you carry me. I saw come more cut. Nobody will see you. No matter what I'm here.
My people know. Even my people know. He can't yaule. Imawele. No. Imawele. I bought my ticket. I came to your house. And I see you are a very caring man. Even when people are talking from Vito, anyone from Vito will talk with video. Any from Vito you will talk. Vito is totally different than the way I get.
Okay.
But I see you. I see you as a caring person.
Okay.
And the only thing here, you are a policy man. You are not policy.
Wow.
Yeah, which I love that. I love that. Please. Then it is secret in our road. Let her open it up. They don't want to win. Please play that in public. Because my work, bam. Because my yard is everything away. Put on the public.
Okay. Yeah.
They want to it might well lay secret. It might well be secret. Every time I was the toasting, when the toasting was going on, I mean, we had a friend of Belly. You remember I asked you one question? How long you wanted? They just people were going alone.
For that guy, because now my papa be that one, you understand? Not if they talk anything, because any pecus. I bet the ending, wait for the talk, say my godfather don't love my godmother, all this one. I bet more could not leave that one for me. Wala wo. Was only anime way wala. So that may if you allow me analyze way. Yeah. But before I go, now I don't want to talk for you. I don't want to talk the rest. So I want to talk for my live video. My people, for that document issue, that woman a pure lie. Now let that one go fit talk for you. Now pure lie. That document issue, everybody know. If they give 5 years document, because many things we talk about that for that live video for the ending, that one go fit and that allow me analyze. You understand? No way evolve my godmother for inside that one. You understand? So I beg, man, I'm not the talker again, so that maybe if you talk for my page.
All right,
that
thank you very much.
Issue, he say it for that document issue. He say you tell her say no be Mama Kevin give you document. You know say as the stupid 5 years document a person they give person.
Well,
Then not talking. 5 years document. That document, my godfather, it be like. I don't know how to talk. It be like Bombino for government. If anything, touch am. If anything, 27 country, my godfather will use that document. Waka around. Where you the last say, you know, go visa waka. You understand me? So, that document, nobody they give me that, then they give out. If you say me, go donation my godfather, if you know with that case, no come here and say.
All right, it's okay. Pause.
No, you don't know where I want to go.
Pause. We don't spend time here. They go meet you.
Okay, Daddy. Thank you. I want to talk that side again. Let me analyze.
I want to go meet you. I'm not supposed to play this audio finish. So I want to go meet you. The audio never finished because you're too long. Time don't reach. You understand? It's to 2 now. So I'm going to meet. So I will see you guys when I come back. We got a lot of videos to analyze. Don't play. We got a lot of audios to analyze. I never said they analyze you when I come back, when I sit down again. Because I want to go with me, I want to do without those videos. I want to cut them and put them for my laptop. So that when they play them, they go to hear them, I go to analyze them. You understand? It's too long. It's only too long. Want me to go late for meetings?
What do you want the relationship to last? On our way. Who have a big identity, you are forever. When I was as my spirit, as the spirit leads. Yeah.
Hello.
What out forever now? Which forever? Mama again. When I was as spirit leads. We just love right. Please. For the sake of the respect I have for you, if no matter what, call you give out. Neither they learn anything with so or that will learn it, no. But the people I hold respect, I don't want the same respect I was trying to give to Isioluku when he didn't deserve it, when he was calling me out since last year. But when I answer him now, I didn't even allow it, when I explain my part to it, then when I send the video, no, make sure he was the one that made sure my name. In 2 video, no, confess.
No.
The ear and
all right. I will not play this audio again. You understand? Yes, I must greet you all with better stuff. What's all right there? You see, mommy, let's a quick lead. You follow yourself. No waiting. I'll give my wife at least like 1 hour. Beat you. Yes. It's when I get guaguan, no was zona, no was the way I bet, no I get away. But you are in 1 hour and no young boy. Maybe 2 get guaguan. Because when my was a gun was a gas a joy. Or yet a carrier joy lawa. I might win a put. Menowa salaway any. Many may have from the beginning to the end, no man, you carry my hair away. So, boy, what that? You should have transferred to Sagana Gil, I know boy. I understand. Because who is what? Do when I and Nick Bugwe, where are we men? If I'm here, a video call. Oh, that guy, much work because we are more way, who did jury. We can get going a video jury when you get Euro and Ganama beer. Oh, I don't be a by love you know. Why don't you? Or get what you're not doing. I'm not when your customer over your Kevin. You carry my hand with your Gama only man. Because when I do with Kevin, or she was just thinking where she was friendly Kevin. Now, can I mess with friendly Kevin? She was thinking with your friend Kevin. You can be video, because I'm not getting jury. A woman, I'm with video, that's one, not for Kevin. You can report away. See this one, they cover your platform, they insult me. Yeah, Buna live on. Live on, okay, woman, I can't bear you. I can't go, woman. One of them, I can't know me. Or say it's your boss, your west way. He cool away you way. What go? I'm going only my been my phone of me. Oh, what's with me now? What is that? Ya come another boy. In your wedding, I come out with all of your born with young content creator one boy. Yes, they were wedding. Shut up, only one boy, maybe boy. All the fat and everything. No, ya but more heavy you're in it. He will beat you with truth. Nothing like lie. Ah, what bear you are. We might give you money again. O ma bia butu. O ma bia again na leziku. Tawa. Eh, boy bia ni. I have you way diet. A more fat than Jesus Christ. Almighty Father, pray for all sinners. That is the fruit of the womb of Ba. So they have some you a Korea more larger. Abiaga. Do you know a cup more to board? A capping men with a women at Mitoto or Yanto. The day the Goya Gigoto or Muno ye copy or Affian. You got a little pills where you have that come cap. But that pink cap is very important. Nobody get a can pick up.